Hey YouTubers, today I have a very delicious dish that I want to bring to you today. It's called Fufu de Plátano. It's from Cuba. Fufu de Plátano is a dish with mashed plantains and garlic and some other ingredients like shrimp. Sometimes they use pork, chicken. It's a very delicious dish. It's also eaten in Puerto Rico and in Dominican Republic, but the names are pronounced different. In Puerto Rico, the name is mofongo, and in Dominican Republic is mango. The difference between fufu de plátano and mofongo is that in Puerto Rico they fry their plantain. They fry it, and in Dominican Republic, I believe they boil it. But in a sense, like I said, the dish is the same. We use the same ingredient, plantains, and this dish is a dish that originated in Africa. So we have to give the props where it's due, and it's Africa where this dish came from. Because if you listen to the names, mango, mofongo, fufu, they're not Spanish names at all. So like I said before, we have to give props where it's due. It's Africa. And the ingredients that I'm going to use today are 2 green plantains, tomato sauce, sazon completa to season the shrimp, adobo for the shrimp also, pack of chicken broth, about 3 cloves of garlic, lime, sliced onions, shrimp that I have washed in vinegar right now. I'm going to rinse this off in a little bit, and chicharrones. Now this is pork rinds, pork crackling. You don't have to use it, but to make the dish, that's what they put in the dish. They put pork crackling or chicharrones, whichever. Oh, see, that's the other name in Spanish, chicharrones. And they put that inside there, but you can omit that. You don't have to put it inside. Okay, so we're gonna start. I'm gonna wash the plantains. Okay, so I wash my plantains before I use them. And I just put soap and hot water, and wash them because they're really dirty. So we're gonna chop this in big pieces. The quickest way to make these is in the pressure cooker, but I just want to show you, if you don't have a pressure cooker, that you can do it like this. Okay, so I'm going to start frying up my onion and my garlic. Some sazon completa in it. My food has to taste delicious. So yes, I use a lot of seasoning. You can also use one of these. This is a mortar. Or in Spanish, pilon or mortero, and you could use this to mash up the plantain. I put some in here, so I'm going to just show you how easy it is to mash it. It's more easier to do it this way than it is with the fork. So I'm going to add the shrimp that I cut up into the plantain. At this point, I'm going to add a little of the broth because it's kind of dry. And here's my fufu de plátano. Look how delicious. Well guys, thank you again for watching my channel. Please tune in for some more delicious recipes. Thank you. God bless.